Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you a peculiar problem in Epson Ink Tank printer. In Epson Ink Tank printer, when you are trying to give a printout, you are receiving the message in your desktop or tabletop, desktop or laptop screen. Service required, replace ink pad means you have to replace the ink pad. After replacing the ink pad, you have to reset the printer. How replacing ink pad is very simple, but resetting the ink pad counter is little bit difficult. How to solve means go to the internet, download Vicric software, run the software. It will ask in this menu you will be having reset the counter. Click the reset the counter. It will ask a key. If you are first time resetting means give you a key trial, TRIAL, trial. Then click OK. It will display the message 80% of the keyboard got resetted. Switch off and switch on it will ask. Once if you switch on and switched off and switch on, you will get the two LEDs won't get display. That alternative display won't get blink. So you will get a correct printer. Now you can take printout as well as Xerox. But if you are trying to reset second time means what you have to do? You have to go to the internet, download adjustment program. So how to download the adjustment program? Download adjustment program for Epson L405, Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10, 62-bit or 32-bit, you have to specify. Then you have to download the software, which is very difficult, little bit difficult, but anyway you will find the software. After downloading that, extract the software using WinRAR or WinZip. Using these two software, extract and run the AddJPRO program. Then you will be getting a option sequential adjustment or sequential operation. There you have to select the sequential operation. In this, you will be asking ink pad counter if you want to see, or ink pad counter reset. So you have to get two checkbox, click the checkbox and click ink pad reset counter, then it will get reset. After resetting that, switch off and switch on the printer. The two LEDs getting blink, that is alternative blink, will get stopped. Then after that you can use your printer to take Xerox as well as printer. This is the way to solve the ink pad issue. This is the way to solve the ink pad issue. Even though if you are not getting that software means download the Vicric, ask the key from them, they will charge you $4, that is $4 and nearly 400 rupees. Through GPay or something you pay and get the key. You have to be very careful during these operations, okay, because this is the online transaction, you have to take care, right? So that phase itself, you have to take your own risk, right? After getting the key, insert the key, that is enter the key and reset the ink pad counter, then it will work. Have a nice day. Welcome.